I've been exploring Accounting Seed recently, and I'll be honest, at first I thought it was just another cloud-based accounting platform. But the more I dug in, the more I realized it's different. This isn't just accounting software, it's a full accounting solution built natively on Salesforce. The real question is, does that actually make business accounting easier, or just more complicated? Accounting Seed is cloud-based accounting software that runs directly inside Salesforce. Its big promise is unifying your CRM and accounting data in one system, so you don't waste time juggling multiple apps, integrations, or spreadsheets. Here's how it works. Since it's built on Salesforce, everything happens in one place, from sales opportunities to invoicing to revenue recognition. Accounts receivable and payable are automated, bank reconciliations are faster, and you get financial reporting in real time. They've also added AI-powered agents that help automate recurring tasks, detect anomalies, and give you insights instantly. Multi-book accounting lets you run GAAP and tax books simultaneously, while multi-company and multi-currency support makes it easier for growing businesses to scale. And because it's Salesforce, you can customize workflows and tap into more than 3,000 apps in the ecosystem. Now the pros. The biggest strength is visibility. Having CRM and accounting in one system gives you a true 360-degree view of your business. Sales, finance, and operations all share the same data. That means faster close cycles, fewer errors, and no more reconciling across different platforms. Automation is another win. Recurring tasks like billing, payments, and reporting are handled automatically, cutting time spent on admin by as much as 50-75%, and scalability is huge. Whether you're managing multiple subsidiaries, currencies, or custom workflows, the flexibility is built in. But of course, there are cons. Accounting Seed makes the most sense if your company already runs on Salesforce. If you don't, adopting it could feel like overkill. Compared to simpler tools like FreshBooks or ZipBooks, the learning curve is steeper, and pricing reflects its enterprise-level focus. It's powerful, but it's not lightweight, so who's it for? If you're a mid-sized or growing business already on Salesforce, or you're planning to be, Accounting Seed is a natural fit. It's designed for organizations that want deep automation, real-time insights, and a single system of record. But if you're a freelancer or a small shop just looking to send invoices, this will be too much. My verdict? Accounting Seed is all about unification and automation. For Salesforce users, it's a game changer, bringing finance, sales, and operations together in one ecosystem. For businesses serious about growth, it's not just accounting software, it's a backbone. So what do you think? Would you want your accounting and CRM in one system? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And if this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.